Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning channel. Today we will learn our solar system. Our solar system has sun and 8 planets. Let's learn their name. This is sun. Sun is a big star. It gives us light and heat. All planets move around this sun. This is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. This is smallest planet. This is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. It shines very bright in the sky. This is Earth. Earth is our home planet. It has air, water and life. This is Mars. Mars is the red planet. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. This is Saturn. It has a beautiful ring around it. It's very hot. This is Uranus. This is very cold planet. It is tilted on his side. This is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. This is also very cold. Good job kids. Today we learned sun and 8 planets of our solar system. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to